talking Taiwanese. Wanna take a walk, but it's dark outside. Ignore when people talk, but replay it in my mind. I like to say something, but it's just a waste of time. I like to wake up, but I'm sleeping all the time. My vision kinda foggy, burning tears inside my eyes. Trying to pick up a new hobby, but I don't think this one's mine. Wanna be so strong, wanna be so bold, but it gets hard being on my own. Can you keep a secret? Can you just hold on? I'm pretty sure I need this, but I'm not sure how long. I've been playing hopscotch, hanging with my cherry bottom, strawberry along the lips. Wanna lick the taste right off. Sunny beaches at the crib, got a name along my rib, but it was a dream, it was a dream.